Hello everyone, this is Anupam Sahu. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about total quality management. First of all, what is its definition? It's a management approach of an organization centered on quality, based on participation of all its members and aiming at long-term success through customer satisfaction and benefits to all the members of organization and society. Mainly we need to focus on quality. We need to develop quality product by all the teamwork of all the employees, which gives us benefit to the customer as well as the employee. Next is concept. The pharmaceutical industry is a vital segment of healthcare system which is regulated heavily because any mistake in product design or production can severe even fatal. The poor qualities of the drug are not only health hazards but also waste of money for both government as well as individual consumers. So, the maintenance of the quality with continuous improvement is very important for pharmaceutical industries. From this concept, total quality management was established. The concept of TQM requires total commitment of senior level managements and supervision of all the departments, operators, suppliers, and customers. The aim of TQM is prevention of defects rather than detection of defects. So, TQM is very important for pharmaceutical industries to produce better product or quality product, you can say better product or quality product, and ensure maximum safety of a healthcare system and also protect waste of money for both government as well as individual consumers. Additionally, TQM will serve improve productivity and customer satisfaction. Main focus is to be customer satisfaction. Customers should be satisfied. It continually strives for process improvement that begins with product development and only conclude when feedback and follow-up have been completed. Next is elements. What are the elements of TQM? According to their functions, the TQM elements are foundation that involves ethics, integrity and trust, building bricks that involves training, teamwork and leadership, binding motor that involves communication, and roof it involves recognition. Basically, it is like your own house. If your foundation is good, then house will be strong and good. Here the foundation involves ethics, integrity and trust. Ethics should be there, integrity should be there and trust should be there in foundation. Next is binding bricks. It works as a pillar. If it is strong, then house will be definitely strong. Next is binding motor, which is the cementing. It is work as a cementing work. It should be properly joined all the bricks to give strength to your pillar. Good communication will result good quality output. Good and quality output. Next is the roof. If roof is developed properly, then your house will be last long time. Here roof involves recognition. Let us know and learn about these elements. TQM built on foundation of ethics, integrity and trust. It fosters openness, fairness and sincerity and allows involvement of everyone. Everyone should be involved in this process of product development or process development. The key is to unlocking the ultimate potential of TQM. Ethics. First is ethics. Ethics is the discipline concerned with good and bad in any situation. It is a two-faceted subject represented by organizational and individual ethics. Organizational ethics established a business code of ethics that outlines guidelines that all the employees are to adhere to in the performance of their work. Employee performance should be there and they should perform as per their functions, as per their role, as per their JD means job profile. Individual ethics includes personal rights or wrongs. Integrity. Integrity implies honesty, morals, value, fairness, and adherence to the facts and sincerity. The characteristics of what customer expects and deserve to receive. Next is trust. Trust is a byproduct of integrity and ethical conduct. Without trust, the framework of TQM cannot be built. Trust fosters full participation of all the members. All the members should be participated in the TQM. As per the TQM, we need to participate for the product and process development. It allows empowerment that encourages pride, ownership, and it encourages commitment. Trust is essential to ensure customer satisfaction. So trust build cooperative environment essential for TQM. Next is building bricks. Based on the strong foundation of trust, ethics, and integrity, bricks are placed to reach the roof of recognition. It includes training. Training is very important for the employee to be highly productive. Training that employees require are interpersonal skills, the ability to the function within the team, problem solving, decision making, job management, performance, analysis, and improvement, business economics, and technical skills. These are the areas that they need to train. All employees should be trained in these areas. Next is teamwork. Teamwork is also a key element of TQM. Teams also provide more permanent improvement in processes and operations. In teams, people feel more comfortable bringing up problems that may occur and can get help from other workers to find a solution or and put into place. Means if you do teamwork, then the work will be very easy. To any whatever the work we are assigned, if we'll do in a teamwork, then definitely we'll do quality work, and we can finish easy way this work. Next is leadership. It is possibly the most important element of TQM. It appears everywhere in the organization. Leadership in the TQM requires the manager to provide an inspiring vision, make strategic direction that are understood by all, and to instill value that guide subordinates. Next is binding motor. Binding motor include communication. It binds everything together, starting from the foundation to roof of the TQM house. Everything is bound by strong motor of communication. It acts as a vital link between all the elements of TQM. Communication is very necessary, because if you will communicate well, then the next person or your subordinates will easily understand the what we are going to do, what we have to do. Accordingly they will act, accordingly they will perform, and you can get the result very easily. Communication means common understanding of ideas between the sender and the receiver. Means a manager can give properly or communicate properly to his subordinates. The success of TQM demands communication with and among the organization members, suppliers, or customers. Whenever we require any API or excipient, we need to communicate properly that this is the grade, or this is the particular specification of the material we require. Accordingly they will send the material. Supervisor must keep open airways where employees can send and receive information about the TQM process. Communication coupled with the sharing of correct information is vital. For communication to be credible, the message must be clear and a receiver must interpret in the way the sender intended. Next is ROOP. In ROOP, we'll study recognition. Recognition should be provided for both suggestion and achievements, for the teams as well as the individuals. Employees strive to receive recognition for themselves and their teams. Detecting and recognizing contributors is the most important job of a supervisor. As people are recognized, they as people are recognized, they can be huge changes in self-esteem, productivity, quality, and the amount of effort exhausted to the task at hand. If anyone is recognized, then definitely he will work more and perform well to get further recognition. And as he is recognized by his manager or so higher level management, then definitely he has an enthusiasm to work more and perform more. So recognition is necessary in TQM. Recognition come in best form when it is immediately following an action that an employee has performed. Whenever any is performing well, whenever any employee is performing well, definitely you need to recognize the employee. Next is tools of TQM. What are the tools in TQM? First is cause and effect diagram or fishbone diagram. It is necessary to identify and analyze cause of a problem. Next, checklist. Checklist is the gathering of data. Flowcharts, that are the document detailed step of a process. Scatter diagram, relation between two variables. Control charts, identify variations in process. Histograms, graphical display of frequency distribution of data. Pareto analysis, degree of importance of each elements. Next is what are the advantages of TQM. In case of TQM, it improves reputation, faults and problems are spotted and sorted quicker. Whenever the problems are arising as per the TQM, it will be sorted as soon as possible. Higher employee morale, workers motivated by extra responsibility, teamwork and involvement of in decisions of TQM. Lower cost, decrease waste as fewer defective products and no need for separate. It strengthens a competitive position. It increases productivity, enhances the market image. It eliminates defects and waste, reduces the cost and better cost management. It increases profitability and enhances the shareholder and its value. Next is what are the disadvantages. Initial introduction cost is very high, because in TQM we can get results after a long time, duration. You can get the results or you can get earning or finance after a long time. So introduction cost is very high. Benefits may not seen for several years, means you cannot get benefit in near future. Whenever you are investing in TQM, as it is a long-term business, you need to wait for the financial profit. Workers may resistance to change. Thank you very much for watching.